Welcome to Acefone. In this tutorial, we'll guide you through the 2 simple ways to reset your password and regain access to your Ace X portal. If you know your login ID, you can reset your password in a few steps. Start by clicking the Forgot Password link on the login screen. On the next page, enter your registered login ID, as we see here, and then click Next. The system will now send a 6-digit OTP to both your registered email and your mobile number. Switch to your inbox to find your verification code. Once you have the code, return to the portal. Carefully enter the digits, in this case, 177825, and click Verify Account. Now you can set a new password. Type it into the first field, re-enter it below to confirm, and hit Submit. Your credentials have been updated successfully. You can now go back to the login page, enter your updated details, and sign in. You are now back in your agent portal and ready to work. But what if the situation is a bit more complicated? Let's say you're an agent, and you've forgotten your login ID as well as your password. In this scenario, you won't be able to use the Forgot Password. Instead, you'll need to reach out to your account administrator and ask them to reset it for you. Now, let's switch to the admin's perspective. The admin will log into their own portal to manage the user credentials. And once the admin has successfully logged in to proceed, they'll navigate to the Users section on the left-hand sidebar navigation menu panel and click on All Users to see the full list of agents. They will then locate the specific agent who needs help. In this case, we are looking for the account belonging to Pritish Verma. The admin clicks Select an action next to Pritish's name and selects Edit to open the profile settings. From the top menu, the admin clicks the third option, the Web Login tab. Here, the admin can see the login ID to share with the agent and set a new password securely, easily, and quickly. Once they hit Submit, the new details can be sent to Pritish. With the new credentials successfully saved, Pritish is now fully equipped to log back into the portal and get back to business without any further delay. This 2-step approach ensures that whether you're performing a self-reset or getting a helping hand from an admin, your access is always secure and within reach. For any other issues, our support team is here to help. Thanks for watching.